Both Walgreens and CVS plan to distribute vaccines across New York City, and a new vaccine mega site is set to open in Brooklyn in about 2 weeks. For more, let's bring in Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams. Eric, thanks so much for being here. I want to talk about the process of this all, because the federal government is sending vaccines to these pharmacies. The state is controlling some other vaccination sites, and then the city is controlling others. Does that create confusion?
I could not have said it any better. Think about that for a moment. We have an operation underway of deploying vaccines across our country, particularly in our states. And anytime, drawing on my law enforcement background, when you do an operation of this magnitude, the optimum term is called coordination. We should go through one portal, make sure we have a real-time mechanism in place to know who we are distributing the vaccines to. This is a who's on first, who's on second, I don't know sort of scenario.
All right, so it sounds like it is causing some confusion. Today, indoor dining can reopen in limited capacity in New York City. We've seen other states around the country starting to lower restrictions, but there are also concerns over these new variants that are more transmissible and spreading throughout the country. So I know you support the opening of indoor dining now in the city. Why do you think now is the right time for that?
Well, I think COVID is going to be around for some time now. We have to start hardening our establishments and sort of adjusting to this new norm in a very safe way. And clearly, I believe we can do it where we can sort of resuscitate our economy and at the same time be safe around COVID-19. Our economy is in real trouble, and we must start looking at how do we open our economy in a safe way while we're addressing the issue of COVID-19.
Now, last year, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo ordered nursing homes to admit patients who had tested positive for COVID. That directive has now been blamed for contributing to the high death toll in New York at the beginning of the pandemic. Now, the New York Post is reporting a Cuomo aide withheld the state's nursing home death numbers from the federal government. What is being done to get to the bottom of this?
Well, I know the New York State Senate is looking into that. That is where the communication came from. And clearly, I'm hoping that she's misspoke because, one cannot intentionally withhold information from a federal investigatory agency. And so I believe you're going to see a series of investigations on the state level and probably the federal level to determine exactly what took place at that time.
And what do you say to people who have loved ones in New York nursing homes right now and are concerned for their safety, and for the many families who lost someone and want answers?
I'm one of them. Mom was in the nursing home, and I was truly concerned when you can't see your loved one as part of the therapeutic response to healing. And, just to think that we were aware of some of the dangers that we were facing in nursing homes, that's alarming. And I'm hoping we can get to the bottom of exactly what took place.
We are too. Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams, we appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.